Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Today I'm going to give you a very quick video on the different camera settings and functionalities inside of the Webex Desk Pro. We're going to take a look at different effects, background blur, background replacement. We're going to take a look at the debug menu. We're going to look at stand up and sit down, how it recrops the image. And then there's actually something that's very unique to the Desk Pro I'm going to show you at the end, so stay tuned for that. Let's dive in and check it out right now. So I want to start by saying that I connected the Desk Pro via USB-C cable from the Pro to my laptop, and I'm actually recording this video with the Desk Pro serving as a web camera. It showed up as a web camera in my device, and I can use it to record. That's actually how I'm recording this video, using QuickTime recording. The cool thing about that is you could use the camera in the Desk Pro that same way with a Teams meeting, a Zoom meeting, a Webex meeting, any type of meeting, because it in fact is then a web camera. Okay, so there are a number of settings. I'm not going to show you the user interface of this because it's still evolving in the software, and until you watch this video, it might actually be different. The first thing I want to show you is that the camera will recrop the image whether you're sitting or standing. In this case, I'm sitting. If I stand up, you'll notice that the camera adjusts and recrops the image to compensate for that and make sure that it ultimately has the best shot. When you sit back down, it's going to recalibrate, and as you can see, it readjusted the image. Here you can see I turned on video diagnostics. You see that box, that's actually the crop indicator. That is what's cropped into the shot. So again, if I stand up again, that box is going to move. You can see there's no facial recognition enabled, but it's recognizing my face. Also is telling me the people count in the upper corner there. That's it in diagnostic mode. Let's jump back to standard mode and try out some other features. I want to show you the background blur. Let's do that right now. Here you can see the background is blurred. It is way blurred out. You can almost tell that there's some stuff back there. I'm actually going to show you the next background, which is actually depth of field, which we would just think of as out of focus, whereas this is completely blurred. Depth of field is sort of blurred. All right, so this is depth of field. Blur or depth of field are both great ways to hide some of the visual noise in the background. I'm going to show you some other options as well that take this a step further. So monochrome is a clear picture, but everything outside of myself has the color removed, and it actually is it does a much better job than anything else. You notice the edges are pretty sharp. It looks pretty good. Next, let's check out Monochrome Blurred, which would be a great thing to use in a case where you have junk in the background, and the junk is like really bright colors, I guess. All right, so there you go. Blurred monochrome. You can pretty much hide anything that's going on behind you with this setting. All right, so I've turned off background blur, all that type of stuff. So I'm just at the standard setting, everything disabled. Now let's turn on background replacement and actually put something completely different behind me and kind of relocate this whole thing. Boom, so there it is. Now I am in front of a background replacement. It actually does a pretty good job. I'm not sure where this is, but it looks pretty nice. You can upload your own images and make the background exactly what it is that you want. You could make it, something more subtle, make it look like you're in the office. You could go a little crazy and make it look like you're at the beach or who knows where else. Have fun with it. All right, so those are all cool things. This is actually the last thing I want to show you, which is totally unique, at least at this point, to the Desk Pro, and it is the ability to take the screen of your computer and make that your background. So let's give it a shot. I actually have my YouTube channel up. We'll just throw that up there for something to put up. Let's try it right now. So there you go. I am replacing my background with the display of my computer. Is this useful? You tell me in the comment section below. I personally don't know how I would use it, but it's just another option that you can use. It actually will take in the input from HDMI and USB-C. In this case, I'm using USB-C. But hey, it's just another one of the options. So anyway, that is what I wanted to show you, different camera functionalities on the Desk Pro. If you have questions, comments, tips, or tricks, leave them in the video discussion below. As always, I want to thank you for watching, and I hope to see you back sometime soon.